oti te pō, nau mai te awe. E tūra puaka i te tahi o te tau.
E tū ko Puaka, te pai ārahi i ngā tohu o te tau hou, i te pai ururangi.
O tau ko te whakaiti pono, ko te whakaiti rohi, ko te haina.
He wā kia hoki ngā mahara mō te whānau, mō te hāpori anō hoki.
Tino pai ake karaue, taku ngākau. It's a mean feeling, eh? It's my first time actually coming to one of these ceremonies. Just feeling quite privileged to be here with whānau, friends and the community from He Waka Tapu.
E tū waipurangi, e tū ururangi.
He tuatahitanga tēnei mā He Waka Tapu ki te whakatū he hautapu hei whakanui i te tauhou Māori. E ai ki ati ana te moana no He Waka Tapu, ko ngā kai karakia me ngā kai karanga, he kaimahi, he mema hoki no te kaupapa o Whai Ora. Ko tā te kaupapa nei, he tautoko i te hunga e noho kiriwara ana.
Most of them were actually Whai Ora, so a lot of them are actually people that come to He Waka Tapu that have gone through addiction, but most of them are all Whai Ora that have actually come for help, come for whānau, to hang out and to get better. And so a lot of them, the particular stars that were given to them were for their own healing journey.
Pēnei i a Hamuera Williams.
I've been coming there since the start of the year as part of AOD kind of support, I guess. So yeah, I used to have some issues with my hauora, and yeah, He Waka Tapu has basically been my go-to, just to reconnect with my taha Māori, to whakaoho my Māori, and to get me back on that track.
He mea nui tēnei hautapu mā Williams, kia tūhono anō ia ki tōna Māoritanga, hei hira i ngā mea kiriwara.
For the past couple of weeks in our waiata, Tiana would actually come in and have a kōrero to us about the whakapapa of Matariki, and then basically we got asked if there was any volunteers who wanted to participate, and so I put my hand up. Yeah, we got given the karakia at the start of the week and just kind of went from there, eh?
Mānawatia Matariki!
Mānawatia Matariki!
Ko maranga ake a tamanui te rā, a kua hiki te tapu o te hautapu. He oi, he whainga nui kei te haere ma te tokorua nei.
I'm hoping that it becomes yearly thing, yep. Not just for He Waka Tapu, but for the masses of people. It's all that goodness, like why wouldn't you want to, let go of all of the taumaha and all of that and then move forward.
If I look back to my lifestyle last year to where I'm at now, there's been a lot of reflecting in between them. Yeah, I'm just hoping for a good year.
Mānawatia a Matariki, Mānawatia a Puaka. Shikaila Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.